Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you.
Hey, what's up guys? Houston here, and for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell for the next video. And for those of you that's been following me, welcome back. Now, I got a quick announcement to make before we get into the video. The Fair Credit Reporting Act just changed, and the change is this, okay? The collection companies will soon have the right to text you about your collection bills. And they're also trying to use social media. So I'm just letting you know, so if you get a strange text about a bill or whatever, you more likely it's coming from a collection agency. Now, here's something that you also have to know. In reference to medical bills, they cannot contact you regarding medical bills because of the HIPAA laws. So it breaks HIPAA violations. Now, also keep in mind, this also would leave open a lawsuit for collection companies, because say that a collection company reaches out to you trying to collect on a bill and someone else has your phone, okay, because they actually send your personal information, that opens up legal damage for the collection companies. But I just wanted to let you all know. Now, let's get back into the video because I think it's very exciting, especially if you an Amazon Prime member. Okay, if you have an Amazon Prime subscription, I'm going to show you how to leverage it to boost your credit score at least 100 points. That's right. What just recently happened with Amazon, they also included themselves in allowing you to report your Amazon Prime subscription to your credit report. So what that means is that your monthly subscription that you pay to Amazon Prime, that can be reported to your credit report to help boost up your credit score. Now, that's one way that's going to help boost up your credit score. And so who they're going to report to, they're going to be reporting to Experian Boost. Okay, so that's who they're going to be Experian Boost. So that's who they're going to be reporting to. All right. Now here's another thing. You remember last year, Amazon, they came out with their secured card, right? And the way you get access to the secured card, if you have bad credit and stuff, you have to first apply for the Amazon store card. If you get denied the Amazon store card, then they give you the option for the Amazon security card. You don't hear much about that now, but again, in reference to helping you build up your credit, now you're going to have multiple ways to leverage Amazon to help build up your credit. So you'll have the Amazon Prime, okay, subscription, and then you'll have the secured card. So that's something that a lot of people that use Amazon Prime that's trying to rebuild their credit, I think is going to give them a better leverage. Now also, Amazon does offer a monthly payment subscription as well. Not in reference to the Amazon Prime subscription, but a monthly payment. Say that you wanted to get a refrigerator or whatever. So then they're able to offer you monthly payments on that, and that also will help build up your credit as well. And then you have your Amazon store, right? So remember, in order for you to get the secured card, you would have to apply for the Amazon store. And if you don't get approved for the Amazon store, then you're going to get an offer for the Amazon secured, okay? So what Amazon, repeating what I said, Amazon is trying to help you reestablish your credit. Now, what's the credit score you actually need to get an Amazon credit card, okay? With an Amazon credit card, you need about a 640, okay? That's the average credit score to get an Amazon card, okay? Now, here's another thing. Since Amazon is using their Amazon Prime subscription, and I talked about this in another video, which I'll put the link below the description, that not only is the Amazon Prime subscription you can report to your credit bureau, but you also have your Netflix, right? or if you use Spotify. All three of those could be reported to your Experian Boost to help boost up your credit score. And of course, when most people sign up for Experian Boost, they usually get maybe about 15 to 25 points, right? But also, I tell you a secret. What you want to do, if you freeze your credit report, okay, then your credit score will go up too. It'll usually go up about 15 points just by freezing your credit score, all right? And for many of you may have noticed that your credit score increased. One thing that I'm also going to share with you, if you're not in check systems and you have regular checking account, you can also use Ultra FICO, okay? And then with Ultra FICO, you can report your banking account information through Ultra FICO, and that'll help boost up your credit score. As well as there's companies where you can report rent, right? So you can report your rent. That'll also help boost up your credit score. But back to Amazon Prime subscription, by you having an Amazon Prime subscription, you soon be able to report it to Experian Boost to help you with your credit score. All right. So for those of you that have challenging credit and you want me to do an analysis of your personal credit, you can set up a consultation by clicking the link below. At the same time, we also still have our free business credit videos if you're trying to understand how to build up your business credit as well as your personal credit. So this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. Again, for those of you just finding my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. But I thought it was pretty exciting to find out that Amazon Prime subscription, you'll be able to report that to Experian Boost to help increase your credit score up over 100 points. So this is Houston with Three-Way Funding. Thank you.